Hello and welcome to this new course in which I'm going to teach you how to make Android apps for Arduino with MIT App Inventor without writing a single code. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team. In this course, you will learn in a step-by-step manner how to get Android apps and build cool applications for Arduino even with no prior experience at all. Now, things that will be included with this course. This course is a practical course in which you are going to build more than 8 Android applications to interact with Arduino. Each project will contain step-by-step instructions for building the app design and logic. We will also attach downloadable schematics and codes. The APK file for each of the apps will also be available for you to download. And now let's dig in to what you will learn in this course. First, we will talk about App Inventor, what is App Inventor, and how to set up App Inventor on your machine. Then we will cover event-driven programming and components and properties inside App Inventor. This will be a quick introduction to App Inventor, the user interface, how to deal with it, how to set up App Inventor, the latest version on your device for free, plus other applications that we might need for this course. After doing that, we will move on to the next part of our course. First, we will create an Android app that will turn an LED on and off. Then we will move on to a login protected LED controller, and we will build a slider that controls the LED brightness. After that, we will control the color of an RGB LED using a color picker from our Android app. We will create another app to read the temperature from a temperature sensor and display the value on the app. After that, we will build an Android app that controls a lamp connected to a relay or any other device. We will end with build an Android app that allows you to write messages and send them to the Arduino to be displayed, let's say, on an LCD. You can even send a message to turn a LED on, a LED off, etc. Other applications will be added to this course each month. So stay tuned for the updates and we will get started with 8 Android applications. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. It's purely practical course, so you will not get bored and you will come with results in no time. Again, no programming experience is required. This is Ashraf. See you inside.